Sometimes the preachers, like the gopis, have to suffer bodily injuries. Their husbands are standing with sticks, Jiva Goswami says, ready to beat them if they bolted the doors and locked them in the rooms. You can't go out! Stay in your room, you try to get out, I'll break your bones with this lati. Danda. Sometimes the devotee preaching have to suffer bodily injuries. They get punched, they get break their arm, they get kicked. I know, myself. And sometimes the preacher has to meet death also. All of this is taken as a great austerity on behalf of Krishna. Gopis suffered in separation. Tivra tap. They burn, their minds are burning, their hearts are burning. That's suffering. Devotees suffer. That's an austerity. Krishna therefore has said that such a preacher is very, very dear to him. If Krishna's enemies, like Shishupal and Kans, can expect salvation simply by concentrating their minds on Krishna, then what to speak of persons that are so dear to Krishna?